What began as a kernel of an idea 5 years ago, and the quiet uncertainty of a global pandemic has grown into a living symbol of infinite possibility. Out of those uncertain times emerged not just a retreat dreamed by one family, but a landmark where home and hotel become one. Spanning 3.2 acres, overlooking the city across 3 palatial floors, this work of art redefines grandeur and exclusivity. It's our love letter to Rwanda, and now one of Time's world's greatest places. Our guest journey begins at Kigali Airport. Our fully electric luxury fleet carries you through green hills to our door, where the Pinnacle statue stands. Step inside our 9 uniquely themed rooms. Each room tells a story. On the upper ground, 5 garden deluxe rooms draw from our owners' ties across East Africa and beyond. Here, you'll find the warmth of Rwanda, the soul of Uganda, the energy of Kenya, the boldness of New York, and the quiet possibility of Washington, D.C. Ascend to the first floor, where the celestial inspires. Rooms that honor the sun, the moon, and the stars, each named after their children, each carrying a wish to light up the world, to shine in the dark, and to never forget your own radiance. And then there's Angel's Nest, the Pinnacle Suite, a forest-like sanctuary tucked in the quietest corner of the property, where you can disappear into solitude and return to the world only when you're ready. Whether you're on your way to an epic journey across Rwanda, gorilla trekking in Volcanoes National Park, or a safari in Akagera, we believe in lingering in Kigali. On your way there or on your way back, Kigali's a destination, not a stopover. When you're a guest at the Pinnacle, you're also a member. Full access to our private members club means access to exclusive programming, cultural experiences, and a sense of belonging during your stay. When it comes to dining, you've got choices here. Casual bites by the pool at Obudasa, Afro-fusion at Ishami Rooftop, 3 to 5 courses of fine dining at Ruhimbi, or teppanyaki with a side of theater at Ichirenga, perfect for a fun group activity. Our kitchen garden is steps away from your table, and our executive chef works closely with local Rwandan farmers and suppliers to ensure every meal tells a uniquely Rwandan story. And that storytelling doesn't stop at the plate. You'll notice spaces are named in Kinyarwanda, and storytelling runs through every element at the Pinnacle. The long-horned cow, a revered symbol in Rwandan culture, pops up across the property. Have you spotted the Rwandan basket, agaseke, and their distinct patterns? These are not just decoration, they're tradition. They give our guests a sense of grounding, a reminder of where they are and the rich culture they're discovering here in Kigali. Our spa, Inzozi, uses only handmade African products, and your butler, they can book you your treatment or help you discover anything else you're curious about. Our saltwater infinity pool, our arcade area with a 4-lane bowling alley, a paddle and basketball court, a whiskey bar, a champagne bar, private dining. Whether you're after quiet or connection, we've got you covered. But the soul of the Pinnacle isn't just what we offer. It's in what surrounds you. We're home to one of the largest private collections of contemporary African art in Kigali. Every piece, sculptures, textiles, accents was selected and commissioned by our owners from artists across the continent. So linger a little longer in Kigali. Let the Pinnacle be your headquarters for your epic journey. Experience our love letter to Rwanda, from our family to yours.